So, on the basis of their gender, nouns can be classified as following: masculine gender nouns, feminine gender nouns, common gender nouns, neuter gender nouns. Okay, masculine gender nouns refer to the male members of a species. Example: lion, boy, hero, peacock, wizard. Like that, మేల్ మెంబర్స్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే రిఫర్ చేస్తుంటే వాటిని మస్కులిన్ జెండర్ నౌన్స్ అని చెప్తాం. ద నౌన్స్ విచ్ రిఫర్ టు ద మేల్ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ మస్కులిన్ జెండర్ నౌన్స్, and the nouns which refer to the female members, whether those are persons or animals, we used to refer to female members, then we call it feminine gender nouns. Then we call them as feminine gender nouns. So read this. Masculine gender nouns refer to the male members of a species. Example: lion, boy, hero, peacock, wizard. Lion, boy, hero. Boy and hero are male persons. Lion, peacock are male animals or bird. Animal, bird. Wizard is also a male person, wizard. Okay. And nouns, female gender nouns refer to the female members of a species. Example: lioness, girl, heroine, peahen, witch. So lion, female version is lioness. Boy, feminine gender is girl. Peacock, feminine gender is peahen. Wizard, female is witch. Wizard, witch. Peacock, peahen. Hero, heroine. Girl, boy. Lion, lioness. Okay. Next, common gender nouns. Name a person who can either be male or a female. Male or female. The word which we use for the both male and female persons or animals. The noun does not reveal the gender. Example: doctor, friend, member, leader, astronaut. Here these, whether they are female doctor or male doctor, we call them as commonly doctor. I met a doctor. Like that only you say. You can't say I met a female doctor, I met a male doctor. Like that you can't say. What we can say: I met doctor yesterday. I have a friend. I have a friend. We cannot say girlfriend or boyfriend like. We just say I have a friend. She is my friend. He is my friend. Like that only we say. For boys or girls, for male or female, we use friend is friend for the both. So those are called common gender nouns. Member, leader, astronaut. These are all common nouns. We use them for both male and female. We cannot tell as it is a feminine gender, it is a male gender, masculine gender. Like we can't say. That is a common gender noun. And next, neuter gender nouns. Name things. Examples: table, book, tree, street, star. All the non-living things. All the non-living things are called neuter gender nouns. Lifeless things are called neuter gender nouns. And next we have here, classify the following nouns according to. Here they have given you words. We have to write them in the correct column. If it is a feminine gender noun, you have to write in this box. Masculine in this box. Neuter in this box. Common in this box. I will tell you one exercise here. Notebook, lifeless thing. So it is a neuter gender. It is a neuter gender. Key, neuter gender. Lawyer, whether that is a feminine or masculine, we call it lawyer as common. Lawyer is both male or female, both we can call it as lawyer only. So lawyer is a common noun. Niece, feminine gender. Cow, feminine gender. Headmistress, feminine gender. Bull, masculine gender. Principal, common gender. Judge, common gender. Wife, feminine gender. Prince, masculine gender. Cousin, common gender. Tigress, feminine gender. Sandwich, neuter gender. Head boy, masculine gender. So like that, those we do know about all these. We have learnt in third class also. So we can answer them easily. And next we have here some more masculine and feminine genders. Duke, duchess, gentleman, lady, monk, nun, hero, heroine, groom, bride, bridegroom, bride, like landlord, landlady, nephew, niece, grandfather, grandmother, god, goddess, uncle, aunt. These are the masculine and feminine genders, okay, of human beings. And here these are the masculine and feminine genders of animals. Horse, masculine. If it is horse masculine, we call it stallion. Male horse is stallion, female horse is mare. Stallion, mare. Male sheep is ram, feminine sheep is eve. Ram, eve. Chicken, rooster, hen. Masculine gender for chicken is rooster, feminine gender for chicken is hen. Duck, drake, duck. Male duck is called drake and female duck is called duck. And cow, masculine bull, feminine cow. Male cow is bull, feminine is cow. Fox, vixen. Male is fox, female is vixen. Tiger, tiger, masculine, feminine tigress. Deer, masculine is buck or stag, we can use both. And feminine is doe or hind, doe or hind for feminine, okay. And here we have the second Roman. They read the following sentences. Change the masculine noun to feminine nouns and rewrite the sentences in the space below. We may have to change a few other words like his or her too. Here you see, they have given you a sentence. Here in this sentence, whatever the masculine genders we have here in the sentence, we have to change them into feminine genders. If we have feminine gender, we have to change it into masculine. Masculine unte feminine ga change cheyali, feminine unte masculine gender ga change chesi rayali. And we can use his or her, like that pronouns also we can use. The boys are waiting for the headmaster. The boys are waiting for the headmaster. Here the nouns are boys, headmaster. Both are masculine gender. We have to change them into feminine gender. Boys, feminine gender enti girls. The girls are waiting for the headmaster. Feminine gender enti headmistress. Headmaster to headmistress. So the total sentence is, the girls are waiting for the headmistress. The girls are waiting for the headmistress. And next one. My grandmother is taking all her grandsons out for lunch. My grandmother is taking all her grandsons out for lunch. So grandmother has to be changed to masculine. Grandfather is taking all. Grandfather has to be changed to his. Grandfather male. So what we have to do here? His. Grandmother his, her kapatti grandfather his avutundi. Grandfather is taking all his grandsons masculine, granddaughters feminine, granddaughters out for lunch. Granddaughters out for lunch. The same here. The king and the prince spotted a tigress. The king and the prince spotted a tigress. So here king and prince are masculine gender. Tigress is a feminine gender. We have to change masculine to feminine. King, queen. The queen and the prince, princess. The queen and the princess spotted a tigress to tiger. Okay, like that you have to write the remaining three also. Okay.